Today I'm going to be reviewing this eyebrow stencil and a pencil. So I'm going to go ahead and show you everything that is inside the box. So let me go ahead and pull it out. I've already used it. I will provide a video here of what that process looks like. This is what the eyebrows look like afterwards, but I wanted to go ahead and show you everything that is included in this box. So you do get a set of stencils. So what you want to do is best match it with your eyebrow shape. So there's many different eyebrow stencils. There is classic stencils. This is the one that I use. This is in the style Confident, but take a look. This is what the stencil looks like. So you want to make sure that you match it with the front of the brow and the tail of the brow. So you want to go ahead and make sure to align these with your eyebrow just like that, and then you want to go ahead and fill it in. And I will be showing you the pencil as well, just so you could see the sleek design on the pen itself. But there are many different styles available, so you get to choose which one is the best fit for your eyebrows. And these are just like this. So once you select the one that you want, you simply want to go ahead and remove that middle part, and that'll open up so you can go ahead and begin to fill in your eyebrow. So there's many styles, and again, you want to go ahead and use it like this, and for the other side you will go ahead and flip it and then use it on the other side. So you get a bunch of different sizes of stencils. Let me go ahead and show you the pen. So this is what the pen looks like. It is double-sided on both sides. I do like the look and feel of this. It's very lightweight. Take a look. Super nice packaging. So go ahead and remove this. Now on this end, you do get the double-sided tip. Take a look. This is going to go ahead and give you those hair-like strokes. I personally like using it, especially at the front of my eyebrows, just to go ahead and really fill them in. So as you can see, if I get a little closer, you do see those very light strokes, but from far you really cannot see. But this is what I use. I use this double-sided tip. I'm going to go ahead and just give you a quick example of what that looks like. So take a look. Super light. You don't have to press down hard. You get those nice like hair-like strokes. So let me go ahead and show you the other side. And the other side looks like this. So it's a little bit angled. Nice fine tip. And this is waterproof, so you don't have to worry about it if it's going to smear off. Take a look. It is not coming off. And then I'm going to go ahead and show you this one right here. It's the slanted one. Very nice defined lines. I do like to use them right here in the front just to fill out any little gaps that I have where I'm missing hair. And you want to go ahead and brush up and down, just giving those light strokes. I do like to wear this, especially I do not have very full eyebrows. I like to wear it before the gym, or I like to use this on my daily makeup routine. And what I love about this is, like I mentioned, it is sweat resistant and long lasting. So let me show you. It is not smearing off. There's a variety of color options available, so if you're looking for a new eyebrow pen, then definitely check this one out. I would highly recommend. I absolutely love the two different style of tips that it includes, and it is one of my favorite go-to eyebrow products.